Hello, partners. Hello, bro and sis. Hi.
Hi,
Hello,
bro.
bro.
Good
All right.
evening.
Good evening, all. How are you doing?
Good
Good
I'm
evening,
evening.
bro.
great. I'm
Alhamdulillah.
great.
Okay.
Alhamdulillah.
Very happy to know about your condition, guys, that you're in a good condition. And are you ready, guys, for the class today?
I'm
I'm
ready.
Yes, I'm
ready.
ready.
Let's go. Yeah. So yesterday we talked about transportation, right? For yesterday.
Yesterday
Yes.
transportation.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
And today we are going to talk about natural disaster.
Sister.
Yes, right. Okay. Do you know, guys, how to say banjir in English? Do you
Flood
know
ya?
it?
Flood.
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 Ya, tulisannya flood, tapi bacanya flood. Flood.
Flood.
Yes,
Flood.
right. Okay, good. And do you know how to say gempa bumi in English?
Earthquake.
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 Earthquake, yeah. Earthquake, like that one. Okay, good. And do you know how to say tanah longsor in English? You know?
Landslide.
Landslide, yeah.
Landslide.
All right, landslide. Nah, and the other ones,
Tulisannya
yeah. So we
gimana?
are going to talk about natural disaster. Hari ini kita akan ngobrol banyak, kita akan praktek belajar sama-sama tentang natural disaster. Okay, so please, I want you guys to repeat after me, yeah. So read this phrases. Natural disaster. Can you guys repeat after me? Natural disaster.
Natural disaster.
Natural disaster.
Natural disaster.
Okay, sorry guys, to make it smooth, lebih smooth lagi ya, bukan natural tapi natural. Pakai C ya, natural disaster.
Natural.
Natural disaster.
Very good ya. Natural dari kata nature artinya alam ya. Disaster itu bencana ya, natural disaster ya bencana alam. Bencana alam ya, natural disaster. Good. Do you know guys what natural disaster is this?
Yes.
Flood.
That is flood.
Flood.
Yeah.
Flood.
Okay. Again, yeah, it's not flood, but it's
Flood.
flood. Flood. Yeah, it's flood. Flood ya, flood is banjir. Sama kayak kita baca darah ya, darah itu bukan blood tapi apa guys?
Blood.
Blood. Nah, ini juga berlaku di flood gitu ya. Flood is banjir. Good. And how about this one guys? What natural disaster is this?
Earthquake.
Earthquake.
Tsunami.
Tsunami.
Oh,
Yeah.
tsunami.
Earthquake beats tsunami ya.
Yes.
Yeah, I think it's tsunami, I guess. Do you still remember where is that?
Aceh.
In Aceh, yeah, I think you're right in Aceh. Do you still remember the moment, guys?
Yes.
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 Yes, I do.
Okay. That was
2016
in
This is what
2000 and
2016 kan? 2006
2006 ya, if I'm not
2000
mistaken.
yeah.
Yeah, 2006 or 2004, guys.
2004.
2004. Oh, yeah.
this week.
Yeah.
When
26th of December 2004 ya.
Yes.
correct.
Oh yeah,
Right.
I see. Okay, because I still remember at that time 2 days after my birthday. Saya ingatnya pokoknya 2 hari setelah ulang tahun, nah itu ada tsunami gitu. That's it. Oh yeah, 2006 ya. Right.
2004.
26th of December, right?
Yes.
Okay, so that's tsunami ya. Tsunami still tsunami, but banjir is flood. Flood, yeah. All right, okay. So guys, yeah, now let me bring you directly about, can you name disaster that you know in English? Boleh kita baca sama-sama, kita artikan sama-sama guys ya. The first one, yang pertama ada tornado. Tornado ya.
tornado.
Do you know what is tornado? Tornado is?
Tornado.
Angin puting beliung.
Beliung.
Iya, angin puting beliung ya guys. Angin puting beliung. That's it. Atau biasa juga disebut tornado ya. Angin puting beliung. That's tornado. Tornado ya, jangan tornado tapi tornado. And then the next one guys, blizzard.
Blizzard.
Blizzard. You know what is blizzard?
Badai salju.
Badai
Badai salju.
Good. Kalau badai aja apa guys? Badai. No, bliss bukan bliss. Storm ya, storm. Nah, kalau salju?
Snow.
Snow. Nah, kalau badai salju bukan berarti snowstorm ya, tapi
Ya.
blizzard.
Blizzard.
Blizzard. Ya, badai salju, blizzard. And then the next one, tremor. Ya, kalau di bahasa Inggris ada akhiran or itu jangan dibaca or ya guys, tapi bacanya gitu. Tremor is ya gempa tapi gempa kecil ya guys. Lindu ya. Kalau orang Jawa bilang lindu ya, lindu. That's it. So tremor is gempa kecil. Jadi nggak ada potensi kerusakan gitu. Itu namanya tremor. The next one guys, earthquake.
Earthquake.
Earthquake is ya gempa sedang gitu ya atau besar ya guys. We call it earthquake. Earthquake. Lebih berpotensi merusak ya kalau earthquake. The next one, sorry ya guys, ini typo harusnya O-nya di sini harusnya ya, storm. Nah, gini ya.
Badai.
Badai. Nice bro. Badai ya. Storm. The next one is
Flood.
Banjir.
Flood is banjir. Good. Flood is banjir. Good. And then ya ini sama ya, tsunami. Tsunami sama ya, tsunami is tsunami. That's it. Okay. And then the next one, drought. Artinya apa ya? Artinya
Kekeringan.
Kalau kering apa guys? Kalau kering?
Dry.
Kalau kering dry, kalau kekeringan drought.
Kemarau
Kemarau, kalau kemarau itu dry season ya bro. Ya. Dry season itu dry season. Oke, tapi kalau dry aja kering, kalau drought kekeringan. Ini ada GHT ya guys. Kalau ada GHT itu GH-nya nggak usah dibaca. Langsung T-nya aja. Drought. Sama kayak teman-teman bilang malam itu kan bukan night kan, tapi gimana guys? Night. Kan langsung T-nya kan?
Night.
Nah, night. Oke, kalau British night gitu. Kalau kekeringan drought gitu ya. Drought. Kita ke sebelah kanan ada hurricane.
Badai, hurricane.
Angin topan.
Angin topan ya guys. Angin topan.
Hurricane.
Do you know the difference of tornado and hurricane guys? Difference of tornado and hurricane? Do you know? Bedanya apa sih tornado sama hurricane?
Skalanya kecil.
Tornado lebih kayak muter gitu ya, bentuk kayak
Lebih dahsyat tornadonya.
Lebih wow yang mana nih?
muter.
lebih wow tornado kayaknya.
Tornado itu ada level
Tornado that make a circle.
Yes, tornado make a circle.
Oke, kalau hurricane kan sama aja ya. Hurricane juga muter kan ya, angin topan.
lebih kecil cuman hurricane.
Aha.
Iya, lebih
Justru kalau hurricane itu lebih besar ya guys.
lebih besar.
Oh,
Kalau hurricane, kalau tornado mungkin beberapa jam gitu ya. Tapi kalau hurricane bisa sampai berhari-hari ya. Can be.
Jadi artinya bro.
Ya, hurricane itu bisa lebih besar. Oke. Biasanya kalau hurricane, tornado itu identik dengan negara mana guys? Do you know?
Amerika.
Amerika ya. Ya, Amerika.
Afrika.
Amerika. Easy ya, easy to happen. Di sana gampang terjadi tuh ya. Hurricane, tornado. But thanks God in Indonesia no ya. For Indonesia maybe just tornado. Kadang cuma tornado aja di Indonesia. No hurricane. Ya, Indonesia is related to
Bencana alam.
earthquake, flood ya.
Tanduk.
Okay, so that's not hurricane. Yeah, we have to be grateful ya. Okay, good. Tornado and hurricane ya. And then the next one, thunder. Can you guys
Thunder.
Tiralitar
Petir.
betul.
Petir.
Yeah,
Thunder.
thunder is petir. Thunder, petir. Next, forest.
Forest fire.
Fire.
Kebakaran hutan.
Forest fire. Kebakaran hutan ya. Fire itu api, tapi kalau forest fire ya kebakaran ya. Kebakaran hutan. Good. Sorry, that's typo. And then the next one, heat
Wave.
wave ya. Heat wave.
Gelombang
What is heat
panas.
wave? Gelombang
Panas.
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 Wave is gelombang panas. That's it. And then, nah kalau yang selanjutnya ini bukan disaster ya, but the effect of disaster, yaitu adalah blackout. Blackout. What is blackout, guys?
Mati lampu. Mati
Oh,
listrik.
Lampu.
Ya, mati lampu
Mati
ya.
lampu.
That's it. Mati lampu, blackout. Yeah, sometimes when there is a disaster, blackout happens, right? Sometimes. And then the next one, guys.
Volcano.
Volcano.
Letusan gunung Merapi.
Kalau volcano itu gunung berapi ya. Kalau gunung meletus apa guys?
Eruption.
Yes, volcanic
Volcano.
eruption. Volcanic eruption. Nah, baru gunung meletus ya. Tapi kalau volcano, nah itu gunung berapi. Volcano and volcanic eruption, that's different ya. And then the next one, guys. Damage. Do you know the meaning?
Kerusakan.
Kerusakan.
Oke, kalau jadi kata benda atau ya, sorry benda ya, kerusakan. Tapi kalau jadi kata kerja artinya merusak.
Damage or damage, bro.
Ya, it's damage ya, damage.
Damage.
No, D ya, bukan D. Kalau D itu yang D terus E.
Damage.
Kalau ini damage ya, damage. That's damage. Misal ada kalimat gini guys ya, tsunami merusak kota, itu gimana ya bilangnya?
Tsunami damage
City.
city.
Nah, itu ya, jadi bisa jadi kata kerja juga ya, damage artinya merusak. Oke, the last.
Destroy.
What about destroy?
Hancurkan, menghancurkan.
Ya, bisa
Hancur.
hancur atau
apa enggak kekuatan ya kok?
menghancurkan. Ya, sorry bro.
Damage kalau di game kekuatan ya kayak ya.
Damage. Iya, itu ada potensi merusak gitu bro maksudnya. Damage itu merusak ya. Oke. Damage, Oh, biasanya mungkin teman-teman pernah berdamage. Iya, mungkin kan banyak tuh ya yang seliweran di sosial media bahwa berdamage gitu kan.
Damage.
Itu ada potensi
orang yang
merusak
bikin rusuh
gitu
ya, kok.
maksudnya guys. Yes. Tapi kalau realnya sebenarnya damage itu artinya merusak atau kerusakan gitu. Kalau destroy baru ya menghancurkan. Ya sampai habis. That's it. Okay. Destruction. Nah, destruction itu kehancuran ya. Destruction. Kalau destroy kan kata kerja, destruction ya what we call it ya, kata benda jadinya ya.
Benda.
Sama kayak organize sama organization ya, itu kan.
Beda.
Organize.
Yes, that's it. Oke. Any question guys? Ada pertanyaan dari teman-teman?
No.
Nothing.
Bro, kalau longsor apa?
Longsor, oh ya, oke. Mungkin saya tambahkan sebelah kiri sini ya. Tadi ada tanah longsor, longsor itu
Landslide.
Landslide.
Oke, longsor ya.
Angin puting beliung apa termasuk hurricane ya?
No, ini bro, angin puting beliung tadi apa guys? Tornado. Skalanya lebih kecil ya, kalau tornado itu lebih kecil guys, dan lebih cepat ya, biasanya hanya ya menit, jam gitu. Tapi kalau hurricane skalanya besar dan itu bisa sampai berhari-hari ya, like that one. Bisa sampai segitunya gitu ya. That's hurricane. Okay.
Okay.
I think that's it. Kalau kiamat bro, apa tuh kiamat guys?
Monday.
Apocalypse.
Game of the day. Game over.
Game over. Ya, what's that guys? Mungkin boleh typing ya guys, boleh di type teman-teman. Maybe there are some.
End of the day, maybe bro.
Sorry bro.
End of the day, maybe.
The end of the day ya, ya kalau untuk sebutan ya bisa ya kita pakai the end of the day. Apocalypse ya, apocalypse oke juga ya. Apocalypse itu sebutannya ya untuk akhir dari kehidupan gitu. Apocalypse oke. Atau kalau kita pakai kata-kata kita sendiri yang the end of the day, the end of the life gitu ya, the end of life.
The end of life.
The end of life, that's it. Okay. Epidemic is penjangkitan ya guys. Epidemic ya dari Bro Nandang ya. That's penjangkitan. Okay. Armageddon. Okay. Alright. Okay. Oh ada pertanyaan nih tapi privately ya, secara privat nih. Cara baca drought. Nah sekali lagi guys, jadi GHT tadi GH-nya nggak usah dibaca ya. Jadi langsung T aja. Drought gitu, drought. Ya bacanya tuh kayak gini nih, kayak drought. Nah, drought. Gitu ya. Okay. Any else guys? Ada lagi, please? Hari ini lebih ke speaking ya teman-teman. On this level, there will be grammar topic 2 ya. Di level ini kita juga belajar grammar juga sih ya. Tapi untuk di minggu awal kita belajar speaking ya. Ya, it's more in speaking. Nanti masuk minggu kedua, ketiga, nah itu baru kita grammar. Apalagi minggu keempat nanti grammar. Hampir 100% grammar. Oke. Clear enough guys?
Enough.
Very good. Okay then ya. Okay, today we have a breakout room again, but I want to ask you guys ya. Maybe for you all, you can raise your hand. Boleh dong diangkat tangannya. Saya sebenarnya juga pengen nih praktek dengan teman-teman ya. Jadi praktek di sini dulu, nanti baru kita melangkah ke breakout room. Okay. I have a question. What kind of disaster are common in your country? In our country ya guys. Apa sih bencana yang biasa gitu ya? Common in our country.
Flood, tsunami.
Okay, please mention guys. Boleh dong disebutkan apa aja? Flood, and then
Blackout.
Earthquake.
Earthquake, landslide.
Earthquake, landslide, okay.
Eruption.
Tsunami.
Blackout.
Slide, okay, eruption ya.
Tornado.
Tornado.
Yes.
Hurricane.
Out.
Yeah, sometimes ya. Sometimes tornado too. Okay. Landslide. Okay, yeah, landslide is here. Okay.
Tsunami.
Tsunami.
Blackout, tsunami.
Yeah, sometimes tsunami ya guys.
Earthquake.
But I think it's not too often ya. Too often. No, too
Oh,
often.
tuh.
Okay. Blackout is can the effect ya.
Blackout.
Blackout is the effect.
Trimmer.
Tremor, tremor.
Kalau
ya,
mati
okay.
listrik sama mati lampu sama aja ya kok.
That's same, bro. We call it just blackout, ya, just blackout. Okay, but which one is the most common, guys? Yang paling sering yang mana? Which one is the most common?
Flood.
Flood.
I think flood, ya.
Almost every season,
Yeah,
every
I think-
month.
Okay.
Quack.
Almost every year, ya.
Yeah.
Almost every year. Okay. Where do you live in, guys? Do you live in Cikarang or do you live in the big cities?
I live in
I'm with
Bekasi.
Java, Sukabumi.
Bekasi,
Always
okay, Sukabumi.
earthquake.
Always earthquake. Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Always
Sukabumi,
there.
always. Yeah.
Semarang float.
Flood, Semarang ya.
Bekasi flood.
Flood, okay.
Kalimantan
Flood.
flood. Landslide.
But Bekasi is identical with, like
Flood.
very hot place, right?
Heat waves.
Yes.
Okay, it's like so many
The
people
other
say.
planet.
Yeah, the other planet. Yeah.
Hot
Okay.
rate maybe in Bekasi.
Okay.
Yes.
It's like in the other
Well,
planet.
But
Yeah.
I think Tangerang also hot.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Tapi
Okay,
2 hari ini
Garut.
hujan, dingin kok.
But I think for West Java, it's easy to have an earthquake, yeah, guys, for West Java. Yeah, sometimes, yeah, not always, but sometimes. Okay, good. Okay, thank you guys for the answer. And the second question, I will go to you, some of you, yeah. So raise your hand, diangkat tangannya, boleh dong teman-teman. Are you prepared for a disaster? Yes or no? And
No.
if so, how do you
No.
prepare?
No.
Not
I'm not
prepare.
prepared.
You
Yes,
don't.
saya akan aku hadapi.
As soon
Because
as
this
go
is
out,
not
outside.
every
as soon
year.
as-
Every year.
Not every year, okay. Not every day, right?
Mhm.
And we cannot.
We must have a limited limitasi gempa ya.
Okay, so we cannot predict, right? We cannot predict, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
but
Right,
just
right.
we can prepare about needed like pakaiannya,
The clothes,
the clothes,
Clothes.
and then maybe
food,
the
water,
food,
medicine.
food like that.
medicine. Yeah, all right. So means that you prepare, bro.
Yeah,
Do you-
I have prepared to
Ah.
that if sometime earthquake happens, we are ready. And then I have a tent too. Tenda itu tent ya.
Yeah, tent, bro. You
Yeah,
can say tent.
I have prepared to tent for if apa ya, jika sesuatu nanti rumah runtuh atau seperti apa kita bisa
Yeah, when there is
situasi di
collapse,
it's-
ya, bro.
It happened.
Yeah.
When it's
Okay, collapse. What is collapse, guys? Collapse itu runtuh ya.
Runtuh.
Yeah, when there is a collapse. Okay.
Right.
Okay, so it means that you prepare, ya, bro. You prepare
Yeah,
your.
bro, Koko, yeah.
Okay.
I have prepared it.
So that's bro Ricky. How about you guys? Do you prepare some money maybe for disaster?
Yes.
Yes, I have prepared.
I preparing higher my house.
Oh, higher, yeah.
Yes,
Okay,
higher.
higher land. Okay, I see. Okay, money. How about document, guys? Do you prepare your document
Of
like
course,
you?
of course.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
document
Scan
too.
all important
Certificate.
document.
Okay. Do you backup files? Like you backup
Yes.
to the other device? Okay, I see. Okay, good. Yeah, so means that we have to prepare. Yeah, we don't know when will happen, but we need to prepare. Yeah, at least the preparation of medicine or clothes or some money maybe. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. All right. And OSIS leader, you wanna say something? All right. So are you prepared for disaster?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So how do you prepare, sister? Please, you can share about what is something that you do.
All right, I live in Bekasi, and then in my city, Bekasi always flood, and then um about the things it's important in my house, like the refrigerator or maybe the dashboard or cupboard. And then I prepare about my document to save, because the floods sometimes in my home. And then we are going to prepare about the floods. More important is save my document first.
Okay, because you know the flood can happen anytime, yeah? So you prepare it.
Yes, that's right.
Okay. Okay then. Thank you, sis Lida, ya. Thank you so much for the answer.
You're
Good.
welcome.
Halo,
Okay,
Ki.
one. Yeah,
Baik.
sister.
Ya. Oh ya wes, oke. Udah,
You
Lena
are talking by yourself. So sorry. Okay. Bro Zane, yeah, we'll give it to Bro Zane. I want to know, bro, from you. So are you prepared for disaster?
Yes, I think I'm pretty prepared for a disaster, and which is specific in my place is flood.
Okay.
Whenever
So how do you prepare, bro?
Whenever the rains get heavy, I move important stuff to higher place, keep my phone and flashlight ready, and make sure the drains around my house aren't blocked. I also keep some instant food and water just in case the flood lasts long.
Okay. You know well about it, so that's why you prepare well about it,
Yes.
right?
My mom always say that.
Okay then, noted, bro. Bro Zane, thank you for sharing. Thank you for the answer, yeah, about the question.
Okay, bro.
Okay,
You're
then.
welcome.
All right, guys. Yeah, again, we don't know when will the disaster comes, but yeah, at least we can prepare something. Yeah, that we have, yeah, or maybe the document, some money, yeah, or maybe clothes or the other ones. Okay, thank you, guys. So now it's time for you to speak up, yeah, everybody. 70 participants, yeah. If it's impossible when I choose you one by one, guys, because this is a big class, so you need to talk lots with your friends to the other partners too. So I think for the first question you can skip it, it's fine. Pertanyaan pertama boleh di skip, nanti teman-teman langsung ke pertanyaan kedua aja. So yang pertama tadi kan what kind of disaster are common in our country? Tadi teman-teman sudah kita jawab ya, flood, earthquake, landslide, eruption, tornado, and the other ones. Okay, you can start by the second one ya. Are you prepared for a disaster? Yes or no? And if so, how do you prepare? Apakah kamu mempersiapkan diri ya untuk bencana? Kalau memang iya, bagaimana cara mempersiapkannya? And then the next one, have you ever been injured because of disaster? What is the meaning, guys? Apa tuh artinya, teman-teman? Kita clearkan dulu ya sebelum kita.
Kau pernah
Terluka
karena bencana alam.
bencana alam ini.
Nah, pernahkah kamu terluka karena bencana alam?
Never, and I
Yes.
hopefully
Never,
never will.
Alhamdulillah bahasa Inggrisnya apa sih kok?
Alhamdulillah itu
Alhamdulillah.
thanks God ya, thanks God.
Never, and it
Thanks
never
God.
happened.
Atau thank God ya, so sorry, it's
Alhamdulillah saya
not
tidak
thanks
pernah.
but thank ya, thank God. Okay, thank God gitu ya. Okay, you can tell ya, if you have been injured you can tell, but if you never ya, thank God ya, you can tell with your words. And then the next one, nah ini kalimat pengandaian nih guys, yang selanjutnya, if you had the power to stop natural disaster that will happen in the future, which would you choose? Apa tuh artinya guys? Jika kamu
punya kekuatan untuk menghentikan bencana alam, apa yang akan kamu lakukan di kedepannya?
Akan terjadi di masa akan datang.
Oke. Jika kamu memiliki kekuatan untuk menghentikan bencana alam yang akan terjadi di masa yang akan datang, yang mana yang akan kamu pilih gitu?
I would stop floods.
That's it. Nanti jawabannya juga pakai would, yes, right, bro.
Okay.
Jadi I would stop atau I would choose gitu ya.
Okay.
Pakai would karena ini nggak mungkin kan kita menghentikan. Kalau mungkin I will, tapi kalau nggak mungkin pengandaian itu I would. That's it. I would stop bla 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 because bla bla bla. Nanti boleh ya dikasih alasannya. Oke.
Okay,
The
okay.
next one, guys. What can you do to prepare for flood and how? Apa yang bisa kamu lakukan untuk
bersiap saat banjir? Kenapa? Bagaimana?
That's it.
Bagaimana?
Untuk persiapan banjir ya. Apa yang bisa kamu lakukan, guys? Maybe you protect something, or maybe you move your
remove
stuff,
something like
you move it.
refrigerator, television.
Yeah, that's it. To the higher one, ya. Ke yang lebih tinggi. So please, you can tell it ya in detail. And please try to speak in English ya, guys. Dicoba nanti pakai bahasa Inggris, sekalipun dicampur-campur nggak apa-apa, tapi dicoba pakai bahasa Inggris ya. So
Okay.
the dominant one is English.
Bro,
And the last
sorry.
one,
Tadi kenapa pakai kenapa pakai would bukan will?
Iya, karena ini tidak mungkin ya, kita tidak mungkin menghentikan
Yes.
bencana.
Yes.
Pengandaian.
Jadi berandai-andai.
Ya, itu namanya conditional sentence ya.
Imagine.
Okay. And the last one, guys, have you ever experienced an earthquake? What is the meaning?
Merasakan
Pernah merasakan
I have.
apa gempa bumi.
Nah, apakah kamu pernah experience, bukan merasakan, tapi mengalami?
Mengalami ya. I have.
Ya,
I
tell it.
haven't.
Oke, kalau memang iya diceritakan, tapi kalau tidak, no, I haven't. I have.
We'll go to the breakout room.
That's it. Okay ya, let's go guys. Ready for the breakout room?
Very ready.
Ready.
20 minutes ya, everybody. 20 menitan cukup lah ya.
Okay.
Enough ya. Insyaallah ya, insyaallah cukup lah ya. That's enough everybody ya. So let's go. Have a nice practicing and try to speak in English. And please guys, klik joining ya, diklik bergabung, soalnya kalau nggak diklik ya nggak bisa masuk ya guys. Saya coba bantu dari sini, teman-teman kerjasamanya diklik bergabung ya. Jadi biar kita sama-sama bisa langsung ke breakout room. Oke, see you guys. Good luck to all of us.
Belum ada ini bergabung.
Belum kelihatan tuh.
Belum kelihatan. Iya, sama saya juga.
Saya ikut bergabung nggak ya?
Saya juga belum nih.
The same as me.
Hai,
I
Mr.
come to break out.
Hai, Bro Praiman.
Hi, bro.
Nice meet you.
Prima. Maybe we are the group about the breakout. It's okay. All right. Who wants the first, Mr. Praiman or sister? Who wants the first for describe about the disaster of yes, the nature of disaster.
Disaster.
Yes, nature of disaster.
I want to try it.
Yes, you can first. Yes, right.
The first ya, nomor satu ya.
Number
yes,
two.
The natural disaster. Yes, number two. Are you prepared for disaster?
Gimana tadi?
For the first is okay. What kind of disaster?
Gitu ya. Kita bencana ya. Bentar.
Are you prepared for a disaster, Miss Bro
Praiman?
I am prepared for disaster. I always ready to save my children, my family. I think that about my benda-benda apa itu? Kalau benda-benda mengamankan benda-benda.
Maybe electronic.
The things, yes, like the things.
The thing important.
Document.
Yes.
All document. I save.
Medicine, maybe.
What?
Medicine, maybe. clothes, your clothes, medicine.
Medicine too. It is sangat penting ya.
Yes, important.
Important.
Yeah.
Important.
Hmm.
Saya banyak lupanya nih.
Nggak apa-apa, Pak.
Hmm.
Don't worry, make mistake.
Oke.
Have you
Oke.
ever been injured because of disaster, Bro Paiman?
I never.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, I'm never been injured because of disaster. Because in
Okay.
my life hampir tidak pernah ada bencana.
Oh,
In my
alhamdulillah.
village in Kabupaten
Banyumas.
Medan
Oh.
di Serdang Bedagi.
Oh,
But in
Medan. Okay.
Medan city always flood.
Okay, like Jakarta and Bekasi maybe, yeah?
Sometime in September, November, December always flood.
Okay.
Medan.
Have you ever been injured because of disaster? Sorry. Number 4 ya?
Number
Sorry.
4.
Number 4. If you had the power to stop a natural disaster that would happen in future, which would you choose?
Maybe I would apa ya? Mungkin saya akan jika mempunyai kekuatan ya gitu ya. Tadi
Iya,
ya.
jika mempunyai kekuatan.
Harus pilih yang mana itu ya? Sepertinya. Please give me example.
I would choose maybe nothing disaster ya.
Ya tidak ada bencana ya gitu ya.
And number 4?
Number 5.
Number 5. What can you do to prepare for flood? How?
I would ya, pakai would ya?
Yeah. I can maybe remove prepare waktu apa namanya banjir.
Banjir ya. Ya, tapi gimana ya di sini belum pernah ada banjir gitu.
Oh iya ya.
Tidak ada banjir, tidak ada angin. Hanya gempa bumi waktu di Aceh terasa sedikit gitu.
Oh, oke.
So in my place is safe, very safe.
Iya, oke, alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Oke. Change Miss Sis Emily or Bro Hidayat? Sis Nat? Hi. If are you prepared for a disaster? I think I prepare medicine, my document, food for a long time, and clothes and money, cash money maybe. And then have you ever been injured? Have you ever been injured because of disaster? I thanks God, I never. And then if I had the power to stop a natural disaster that will happen in future, which would I choose? I nothing choose. Saya nggak milih sih bencana ya. Saya tidak bisa menghentikan juga.
Very good, Miss.
Yang lain dong. Please, Miss Nat, Bro Hidayat. Okay. I can.
Sorry, I am sleepy.
Yes.
I am sorry, I sleepy.
Oh, are you
I
sleepy?
don't understand what Bro Coco said
Okay.
about discussing.
Can I ask someone?
Yes.
I want someone answer to Hartati.
Yes.
Any Hartati? Sis
Yes.
Hartati?
Yeah.
I want ask you the
Yes.
question.
Please.
The second, yeah. Second. Are you
Mhm.
prepared for a disaster?
Yes, I prepare. I prepare medicine, clothes, document, food for long term, and then cash money maybe. Because I think if ada COVID kemarin, kita kehabisan makanan, I have no cash money, and then semuanya jadi berantakan. And then
Where do you live?
I live at Jakarta.
Oh, Jakarta.
Yes.
Di spesifik Jakarta Selatan, West,
Selatan.
North.
I'm Selatan.
I have a family in Jakarta Selatan, at Pesanggerahan.
Oh yeah, I know.
Utara.
The on Pesanggerahan, maybe if rain suka flood.
Iya. I know.
Yes.
I see.
Then?
Have you ever been injured because of disaster?
Oh, thanks God, I never injured. I never. Alhamdulillah.
Good. Sama juga saya tidak pernah.
Same with me ya.
Same you. Have you had the power to stop a natural disaster?
I
Future?
cannot stop. I cannot stop. If I choose, maybe flood ya. Kalau disuruh milih bencana, saya nggak mau milih. Tapi kalau misalkan harus ya banjir saja.
Yeah, I think so. Karena banjir masih ada kesempatan ya, kalau banjir itu tidak tiba-tiba, biasanya ada information.
Iya.
What can you do to prepare for flood?
Flood. I can maybe I can prepare for my remove my electronic, remove my barang-barang important, and at the first floor, I can get to the second floor, remove to second floor.
Have you ever experienced an earthquake?
No.
No.
Yeah. No, I can. Saya tidak pernah.
Okay. I want to ask something about you, Miss Hartati.
Yes.
What are you doing in house? Are you working?
I'm working, Bro Paiman.
Where is you working?
I'm working at Jakarta Barat. I'm a consultant. Mhm.
Amazing. Consultant, what's about? About consultant?
Consultant tax accounting, tax and accounting, maybe HR too.
I think you from university.
I'm
Hmm?
I Kalbe STIE Kalbe, and then major accounting major. Mm-mm. How
How many
about you?
children?
How about
Me,
you? Hmm.
I am a farmer,
Mhm.
and I am also I'm a farmer. I'm also a buyer and seller.
Oke.
Saya juga penjual dan pembeli, gitu.
Barangnya?
About fruit, rice.
Hmm.
Usually rice.
Oke.
Gabah juga berasnya gitu.
Oke. Mm-mm.
Nice meet you, this net, Artati. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you so much. Masih banyak loh.
Iya.
Hai, Bro Haikal, Cisnat, Bro Ferry, are you there? Hai.
Pada kemana ya? Pada ngopi ya, kayaknya. Same, maybe same. I'm not
Yeah.
same.
Hai Vida.
Hi. Sorry,
Hai.
connect.
Hai Sis Vida.
Connect.
Are you prepared for a disaster? How?
As disaster, how to prepare.
Maybe yes, I prepare for.
I prepare evacuation. My script. Talking pen, emergency supplies, security valuables, studying emergency, updating knowledge.
Okay.
Have you ever been injured because of disaster? Never. If you had the power to stop a natural disaster that would happen in future, which would you choose? Flood.
I would choose flood. Flood.
Why? I would stop flood because you can track mengamankan apa ya?
Safety.
Safety. My document. Terus
food.
Packing.
Electronic,
food, and
clothes.
Yes. Have you ever experienced an earthquake? Never.
Never.
Okay, that's it.
Where do you live?
Bandung.
Oh, Bandung, so sweet. Yeah, beautiful. Bandung tuh beautiful. Orang-orangnya juga beautiful. Mojang Bandung. Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Central Jawa, and I live at Jakarta.
Oh, okay.
from capital city at Kudus. You know, Kudus, Semarang maybe.
Semarang.
Wida from Central Java, Semarang, Kudus.
Kudus, Semarang. Sunan Kudus, maybe
Oh,
you,
yes.
you know, yes.
Yeah, I think masih keturunan Sunan Kudus.
Ya, keturunan Sunan Kudus.
Saya dari Sunan Giri.
Sunan Kalijaga.
Oh, yang kali jaga, ya, sering jaga kali aja.
Jaga kali. Ya, Sis Emily. Sis Emily. Sis Wida.
Yes.
Sis Wida.
Yeah.
What is cousin in Bandung? Makanan favorit, food cousin.
Seblak.
Sundaan.
Seblak.
Seblak, and then apa ya? Molen.
Molen.
Bolen, apa ya? Molen ya?
Molen, ya. Molen.
Iya.
Molen banana.
Banana molen.
Banana molen.
Iya. So traffic jam ya at Bandung.
Yes.
Weekday on or weekend. Always traffic jam.
Always. Weekend.
Parah ya.
Iya.
And then where do you live at Bandung? Bandung mana?
Kiara Condong.
Oh, I know Kiara Condong. Last week ya. Last month I go to Bandung to Kiara Condong. Go to Kiara Condong.
Ada taman Korea Condong.
Oh, Korea Condong. I go to Masjid Al-Jabar.
Oke, maaf Masjid Al-Jabar. Near my home.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Near to Mosque Al-Jabar.
Oh, big and beautiful. I take a picture at Masjid Al-Jabar. Oh, so nice. Beautiful. Keren loh itu loh. Nggak kaleng-kaleng loh itu loh. Bagus banget. Iya.
Sis, I have memory about Kiara Condong. When I go from Gambir Station, menuju apa ya? Mau menuju ke Pangandaran.
Go to
Pangandaran. In the train, petugasnya apa? Petugas itu. And I stop in Kiara Condong, like that. I always remember Kiara Condong. Jadi sebentar lagi Anda akan sampai di stasiun Kiara Condong. I am remember.
Oh, you when you go to mana? Bandung?
Pangandaran.
Pangandaran?
Dari from Jakarta to Pangandaran about 7 hours. 7 hours.
Yeah.
Yes.
By naik apa ya? By bus or by car or by train? By train.
From Medan by plane. So ride taxi. And then go
Horace,
to buy.
bro, Horace.
Horace, who's that? Who's there? Mr. Who's? Jane? Oh?
Yes, it's me.
Oh, Jane.
Hi, Zen.
Hi.
How are you, Zen?
I'm fine, and you?
I always hungry with see your picture.
When see the yes.
Yeah.
I saw.
Noodle. Jen is cooking noodle.
No, it's rice.
Cooking noodle or rice?
Kebuli rice.
Nasi goreng bukan sih tadi?
Hai
No,
Bro
kebuli.
Koko.
Me, noodle, me.
Hai Bro Koko, I'm
Hello guys,
here.
sorry I have to bring you back to the main session ya.
Bro
Did you
Koko,
enjoy the breakout room today, guys?
Yes,
Oh,
awesome.
Enjoy
Yeah,
ya.
very
Awesome, alright,
I
okay.
enjoy.
I went to some rooms ya. Tadi saya ke beberapa rooms, masih belum semuanya ya, not all of the rooms, but maybe some ya. Yeah, you know like maybe one by one ya guys. For the next one, I will go to your room as well. Okay. Thank you for the
Thank you,
activeness.
thank you.
Thank you, bro.
A bit correction ya guys, sedikit koreksi nih teman-teman. Kalau teman-teman bicara tentang sesuatu yang terjadi di lampau, kita pakai verb berapa guys? Buat verb?
Tiga ya. Dua apa tiga?
Dua, past tense.
So, past tense ya. Jadi contoh nih, kalau mau bilang itu terjadi tapi terjadinya lampau, berarti
It happened.
It happened.
nah, ada
It
ed-nya ya.
happened.
Nah, dan itu bacanya bukan happen tapi happen. Happen.
Bedanya dengan yang terjadi sekarang kok?
Kalau yang terjadi sekarang, kalau terjadinya saat-saat ini berarti it happens. It happens. Berulang-ulang gitu sih.
It happens.
Okay. Tapi kalau lampau ya bentuk
It happened.
Okay. Pola ini adalah subject plus verb to ya. Subject plus verb to. Jadi kalau memang pakai verb langsung ya subjek kemudian verbnya. Nah, contoh kayak bawah ini nih, aku mengalami. Nah, mengalami itu kata kerja ya guys, experience. Berarti kita perlu pakai was nggak guys?
Tidak perlu.
Nah, tidak perlu kan subject plus verb to kan? Jadinya I experience. That's it. Okay. Kita pakai was atau were itu ketika diikuti oleh non verb ya guys, selain kata kerja. Jadi ya itu disebut ana ya. Ana itu apa aja guys?
Adjective, noun.
Sorry, adjective,
Noun.
Adverb. Nah, itu di basic satu pernah kan ya ada ana gitu kan ya?
Iya.
What is Ana, bro?
Ana itu adjective, noun, adverb. Adjective artinya apa guys? Adjective?
Sifat.
Noun kata?
Benda.
Verb kata?
Keterangan.
Nah itu. Nah contohnya ini ada scared. Scared itu takut. Itu kata sifat ya. Berarti emang. Nah di sini I was scared. Nah ini baru benar. Tapi kalau yang terjadi itu kata kerja. Jadi bukan it was happen, bukan I was experience, tapi langsung kata kerja bentuk kedua.
Yes.
Ya. Sama satu lagi guys, teman-teman masih ada yang ikut nih kata lahnya ya you know lah gitu. We all know lah ya I think that's it lah. Masih lahnya masih ngikut nih gitu ya.
Indonesianya ngikut.
Ya Indonesianya
apa bro?
Lahnya tidak perlu diganti apa-apa, hanya perlu dihilangin aja. That's it, oke? Oke.
Oke.
Kalau kita ngobrol sesama orang Indonesia pasti paham ya. Orang serumpun Malaysia, Singapura pasti paham. Tapi kalau ngobrol sama bule, you know lah. What is lah? I don't know.
China lah.
China. Ya. Jadi, ya, you know, gitu aja. Kita nggak usah pakai lah ya. Oke? Tapi sekali lagi nggak apa-apa guys, kita belajar dari ini bukan sesuatu kesalahan yang besar ya. Ini hanya sesuatu yang masih nempel di kita aja. Jadi ya kita harus switch ya. Kalau memang pakai bahasa Inggris ya kita hilangkan dulu. Gitu. Kalau pakai bahasa Indonesia boleh.
Bro itu yang di share screen itu past tense semua.
Ya ini tadi past tense kebetulan yang saya masuk ke roomnya tadi menceritakan lampau ya guys. Jadi saya nyarutnya ya dapatnya yang lampau gitu. Tapi kalau saat-saat ini nanti sambil jalan ya teman-teman, saya akan ke room teman-teman juga, tapi ya itu tadi ya beberapa room untuk per harinya. Oke?
Bro, tiap abis breakout room ada feedback time ya. Soalnya saya selalu ngabisin waktu di breakout room.
Iya, pasti kan kita kembali ke sini dulu ya, ke main session, baru nanti kita tutup kelasnya like that one.
Iya, tapi kalau misalnya kita kembalinya pas waktunya pulang selesai nggak dapet feedback time.
No,
Iya.
no, sister, pasti saya kembalikan dulu, saya pastikan semuanya masuk ke main session, nah baru kita ada
Oh,
feedback.
bareng. Oke,
Yes.
oke.
Jadi,
Thank you.
kalau belum semuanya masuk ke main session, belum saya kasih feedback. Oke? Alright.
Oke.
Step by step ya guys, don't be afraid to make mistake, jangan takut untuk membuat salah ketika belajar bahasa. From the mistake we can be perfect. Do you agree with that?
Thank you, bro.
Yes, yes. Thank you, bro.
Alright.
Thank you.
Besok topik
Thank
kita
you so
adalah
much.
tentang besok kita topiknya holiday and vacation ya, liburan teman-teman. Do you like holiday and vacation?
Oh,
Yes, I like
really
it.
like
I love it.
See you tomorrow guys on holiday and vacation.
See you tomorrow, bro.
Bye guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye, bro.
Goodbye.
guys. Assalamualaikum
Bye.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Bye-bye.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We must study all out to be able to speak well. See you tomorrow.
Yes, that's right.
See you today.
We must study all out.
See you
See you tomorrow.
tomorrow.